Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here today to do my breast cancer awareness micro disc bound notebook. So I talked about this in my Wednesday's haul video where I showed this digital from Creative Design by Jessica. So I've cut out the digital, and I'll link to all the information below. I have cut everything out. So I have my cover, my title page, the digital paper page. Let's see, here's another digital paper, and I figured I would put these back to back and make a pocket out of them. So even though I don't really need a pocket for this, I just thought it would be cute, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then I've cut out all of the tab dividers. I need to do a little touch up on the rounding of the corners. But other than that, they are ready to go. And how did that get bent? And then this is the back cover. Now I haven't decided what I'm gonna put on the inside. I could put my pumpkin paper, but I think I've used that enough. Enough is enough with the pumpkin paper. So it's gonna look something like this. Then I was gonna use all of the hot pink disc, but this pink doesn't really match this pink. So I figured I would break it up with the black and do pink and black discs, and I can always change those out. I was wondering if I had enough metal discs to like do just a variety of different classic size metals, but I don't think I have enough that are just spare discs. So I need to go ahead and at least round my corners. So I'm going to use my 1/4 inch rounder. It is probably needs to be emptied. So that's the front cover, and then I need to do the back. And I need to laminate both of those. So I have this 5mm laminate that I had started used part of it and didn't use all of it. So I'm going to use the rest of it for this. And I'm going to move that over a little bit. My laminator should be good and hot. You know, I should have printed 2 of these, and then I could have put those back to back. And I did, I think. Let me see. I do have another one. Let me see what that's going to look like. Let me cut them out real quick. So on the inside back, it would be this. I think that'll work. Let me round the corners. Okay, let me see. Take a little tape to hold that in place. Hopefully it won't show through. I don't want to have to ink the edges, but the black is showing, the black line it just keeps showing no matter what I do. So this is going to be like the back cover. I'm sorry about the noise. I don't know what's going on. Somebody's doing construction a couple of houses down, and I have the window open because it's actually nice weather here for a change. So or maybe I should close the window. Maybe they should just stop making so much noise. I'm hoping that once I laminate it, you won't be able to see the black line that didn't get cut off. And okay, so that's enough playing around with that. I want to make sure I leave plenty of room in between them. Ooh, that's gonna be bad if that goes through right there. Get my chipboard, lift, and get ready to run it through. I think they're too close together. So I didn't have the laminate lined up quite right. That's what happens. That is the possibility when you're using scrap pieces of laminate that don't have the seal on one edge. So I'm going to run it back through to try to straighten that out. And I cut off the ends where it wasn't quite lined up right. I guess I should have cut off the top and the bottom part that wasn't lined up right too. But I did not. Okay, that's better. So most of that's going to be cut off, but I'm going to leave the laminator running for a few, just in case I need to run it back through there. Get out my paper trimmer and trim these down. Okay, because this edge is a little wonky, I am going to run that one back through and see if I can improve on it a little better, make it a little better. And then while that is going, we're going to go ahead and start rounding the corners on this one. So this is the front and this is the back, and I think that kind of healed that area a little bit. So let's go on around these corners. This is very hot. Yeah, so that helped it out a little bit. Okay. So when I use this punch over on Instagram, I get so many questions about it. This is the Arc Punch from Staples. It is Staples disc bound brand is Arc, just like Office Depot's is Tool. So yeah, it's from Staples. It's available on Amazon, and I will link to it in the description box below. So this is my front, and I already know the one with the weird looking corner. Nope, this is the back. So this gets punched like this. And I need to make sure that it's nice and centered. And then this is the front. I guess it doesn't matter because of the way that I put them together, but it kind of does. All right, so we got our covers done. Let's start popping on the discs. Oop. Still need the punch. So I'll go ahead and punch the inserts. We'll make our pockets before I punch that, and I need to clean up, oopsie, clean up these real quick. Should I laminate these? I don't know. I guess I should, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and laminate these. Maybe I should use the thinner laminate. I think I am. So this is 3mm laminate. And let's see, hopefully it works good. I'm not laminating that. So let's move these out of the way. Laminator back up here and run these through. Okay, so then I'm going to run this one through. I'm not going to worry about trying to save a laminate. I can use the excess for a dashboard or acetate. So I'm just going to put it in here like so. Not using my I see white edge. I guess it can't be helped unless I ink the edges. I'm just going to see the white edge fully. Okie doke, so I have done all the cutting that I can do, and I don't know, maybe I won't make this into a pouch and I'll leave it as a dashboard because I don't really have anything to put in it. So now I just need to trim around the tabs. I think I better use, so I'll go ahead and do this quickly. Okay, so let's punch and put this in. So we have those done. Let's pop this back in, or put it in here for the first time actually. Get these in the right order. And then we need to punch this. So that is everything that came in the digital. So now all I need to do is add my own papers. I can do note paper, line paper, grid paper, blank paper, whatever paper you want once you do it. And you have 4 tab dividers and everything is lovely and cute. So there you have it. I will add some note pages to this and kind of use it as a journal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.